The world is an amazing place. There is so much to do and so much to see, and I want you all to do it with me. So fix your crown and let's go on an adventure.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I look like a mess because yeah, I'm in a rush. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and yeah, so the winner of the giveaway is going to be announced later on in the video. Anyway, so today I decided to show you guys some Venda food in a very short video. Some of it, yeah, not all of it because I couldn't get my hands on all of it, but yeah, let's see what we have here. Okay, so here we have, basically these are termites, and in Venda they're called Madzhulu. And then here we have basically a bug. This is called Thongolifha. I'll try to get the proper spellings. And then this is called Nemeneme. It's those things, you know, when it's raining and then there's like a light and then those things like die in front of, I don't know how to explain it, and then their wings are all over the place. These are that, yeah, that can only show you the backside. And this is mampani worms, also known as Mashondza, not Mashondza, Mashondza. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the termites, Madzhulu. That was thingy. Hard head, and it has like these two antler thingies. Like they're very prickly, but when you eat them, I don't even feel them. They taste really good. They taste roasted-y. I know in Zimbabwe they also eat them, but they cook them in a different way. Here you just fry them, I think. So good. So next up, the mampani worm, Mashondza, also has very prickly things on it. I like them raw. A lot of people eat them cooked. I like them raw. Like legit, this is my snack, you guys. I sit in front of the TV, Netflixing, and this is what I'm crunching on. So crunchy, so salty, so good, you guys. These, I love them. I love them just the way they are. So they get dried, obviously. They get put in the sun and they get, it's like biltong. They dry it like biltong with lots of salt. So this is basically Venda biltong. And then these, the Nemeneme, they're just mushy. They're like the mushy version of this. That's all I can say them. They're aight. They're not my fave, but it's aight. And then this bug, I actually never really tried it until like a few days ago. And I'm not sure how I feel about it. Like, it smells. It stinks. Do you eat these things? Have you tried them? Come, let's see. Fear factor. Okay, let's try with the easy one.
Yeah, this is easy.
How is it?
It's nice. Oh my god.
How much? Why isn't this focusing? Okay, try.
Oh my god. It's nice, but it looks disgusting.
And these? Yeah, try these. Come down, you block this light with your head. Yeah.
That's so disgusting.
But how does it taste?
Disgusting.
Okay, final one.
Oh my god.
New age Venda kids, guys. Look at this.
I'm coming back.
Yeah, so I was saying, I'm not sure how I feel about these ones. But let's see. I'm not sure. I don't like them, and they smell weird. Those ones smell weird. But the rest of these three, guys, with pap, they slap. They slap so hard. Fun fact, guys. I remember grade 2, it was like cultural day and you had to bring things from home. And I brought home Mashondza and they were cooked. So everyone was like, nope, nope, nope. And this one white girl, she was adventurous. She was like, I want to try it, I want to try it, I want to try it. She took one bite and then she threw up. Guys, I was so offended. I was like, why did you try it though? Like, she was legit like, oh my gosh, and then she throws up. And I'm just like, you should have just not tried it. Like, and then I had it for lunch that day. I had a whole scuffed of Mashondza, and I don't care. These things are good. Anyway, so let's announce the giveaway. So what I do is that I use a website where I take the link and then I put it in, and then it generates, because y'all think that I make my friends win. And then yeah, I'm gonna show it here while you watch me eat. Worms. So good. So
That's
so
the only
good.
one I like. The rest,
Apparently this is his fave. Anyway, depending on how this video goes, I will go and show you guys more Venda food, because this is not it. There's more. Like, it's like the snotty thing, the snotty morojo. I don't know how to explain it. Spinach, no, it's not even. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys all these things as time goes on. But yeah, get your Venda girl. Win Fear Factor for you. We eat bugs and they taste good when you all that money. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.